A volcano erupts, but instead of destroying everything in its path, it powers your lights, charges your phone, heats your home, and fuels entire cities, all without burning a single drop of oil or coal. Sounds like a sci-fi movie? It's not. It's real, it's powerful, and it's the future. Welcome to the fascinating world of volcanic energy, where Earth's fiery heart might just save us from climate catastrophe. Let's dive in. Number 10. Volcanoes produce clean, renewable energy. When we think of volcanoes, we imagine chaos, destruction, lava flows. But what we should be thinking is unlimited clean energy source beneath our feet. Volcanoes are natural furnaces. Their underground heat, known as geothermal energy, can be converted into electricity without emitting carbon dioxide. In fact, geothermal power plants produce 70 times less greenhouse gases than fossil fuel plants. This is not just green, it's lava green. Number 9. Iceland is already doing it, successfully. Let's talk about the global pioneer of volcanic energy, Iceland. Over 90% of Icelandic homes are heated using geothermal energy from volcanic sources. And nearly a third of the country's electricity comes from geothermal power plants. They use the Earth's heat for heating homes, melting snow off sidewalks, generating electricity, even powering greenhouses to grow bananas in Arctic climates. Iceland proves this works. They're not just surviving on volcanoes, they're thriving. Number 8. A single volcano could power millions. Let's go big, real big. The Yellowstone supervolcano in the US is one of the most geologically active sites in the world. Underneath it lies enough geothermal energy to power the entire United States for hundreds of thousands of years. Yes, one volcano. But here's the kicker, it's untapped. Because of fear, logistics, and lack of infrastructure, this sleeping giant remains just that, sleeping. If we could safely and efficiently harness that energy, the results would be revolutionary. Number 7. Geothermal is 24/7 energy, unlike solar or wind. One of the biggest challenges with renewables is intermittency. Solar depends on the sun. Wind depends on, well, wind. But geothermal? It's always on. Volcanic heat doesn't stop when the weather changes or the sun sets. That makes geothermal a baseload power source, consistent, reliable, and efficient. Imagine a renewable grid that never needs backup generators. That's the power of volcanoes. Number 6. It's already cheaper than fossil fuels, in many places. Let's talk dollars and cents. In Kenya, Indonesia, and the Philippines, geothermal is already cheaper than coal, gas, and even solar in some regions. Once a plant is built, it costs very little to maintain, and there are no fuel costs. You're not buying energy, you're unleashing it. And as drilling technology improves, those costs keep going down. This isn't just eco-friendly, it's economically smart. Number 5. Volcanoes are everywhere. There are 1,500 plus active volcanoes worldwide, many in energy-hungry regions. Think Japan, Chile, California, all sitting on energy gold mines. Number 4. NASA once proposed drilling into a supervolcano. This one's wild. NASA considered a plan to drill into Yellowstone, not to extract energy, but to prevent it from erupting by releasing pressure. But as scientists explored the idea, something else emerged. The same project could harness enough geothermal energy to power millions of homes. Double win. Prevent catastrophe, provide clean power. They estimated it would cost about $3.5 billion, which is less than half of what the US spends every week on fossil fuel subsidies. So, why haven't we done it? Number 3. We can now drill deeper than ever. New tech allows us to reach lava-level depths. Iceland's deep drilling project hit 427 degrees Celsius, creating 10x more power than normal wells. It's called supercritical geothermal. It's the future. Number 2. Volcanoes are mining Bitcoin. El Salvador built a Bitcoin mining facility powered by a volcano. Yes, lava mining crypto. Clean, renewable, and viral. Number 1. This could reshape the future of global energy. If we go all in on geothermal, and specifically volcanic geothermal, here's what could happen. Drastic reduction in CO2 emissions, no dependency on oil, gas, or coal, cheaper, cleaner energy for billions, Energy independence for developing nations, zero pollution, zero fuel imports, zero climate guilt. Volcanoes aren't just ticking time bombs. They're ticking power plants, just waiting to be tapped. So, here's the burning question for you. Would you want your city powered by a volcano? Or does the idea feel too risky? Let us know in the comments. We're dying to hear your thoughts. And if you learned something explosive today, erupt that like button, ignite that subscribe. Let's keep exploring the wild future of Earth's hidden energies.